Today's assembly is presented by Grade 3A. The theme for our assembly is World Peace.
Children are the seed of peace. There are many ways to promote peace in the world, but perhaps the best way to promote it is within ourselves. Peace is probably the most important lesson we should learn during our lives. Through knowledge, peace will evolve. Now we present before you a short skit.
What happened, my friend? Why are you looking so sad and gloomy?
There is war in Iraq and my uncle and his family lives in Iraq. We are also worried about them and pray for peace in Iraq.
If there is peace in our minds, there can be peace in the world. Okay, let's sing a beautiful song about peace.
That others love to listen to you. Listen in such a way that others love to speak to you. I repeat, speak in such a way that others love to listen to you. Listen in such a way that others love to speak to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Devanshi.